Good afternoon. I believe today we want to discuss about how to rank on Fiverr. How to rank on Fiverr. So um, let's pay attention to this. Most of the time, you wonder why you will create a Fiverr account, and after being approved, yet you'll be getting a very low impression, and you won't have any click. Your impression will range from 1 to a maximum of 20. That is the highest. The reason is people are not getting to see your gigs. That is it. For about a year plus right now, Fiverr has been trying to reduce the number of sellers that are on the platform, and Fiverr has been taking it into their hands to disable a lot of accounts to limit the number of people that are actually creating Fiverr on their platform. Now, how do you bypass all this? I said I will be creating a Fiverr, I'll be creating a video to show how to create a Fiverr account, an approved Fiverr account. But today we are talking about how to rank after you've had an approved Fiverr account. Now, there are things you have to take into consideration while creating your account. The first is number one, your profile picture. Your profile picture needs to be professional, needs to be your profile picture needs to be unique. You know that. Let's say this is the person that's actually representing you. Needs to be not AI generated. It should be a person, and your name needs to like align with the picture. For example, you using a black person as your profile picture, and let's say Nigerian as a profile picture, and your name is Michon. Let us say your name is Michon. Your name is um Doll. What kind of name is that? You're a black person, you know the kind of name a black people do have, and you using an American picture, and you decided to start using name like Agidi Ogun. You are using an American, let me say a white person, and you are using a name like Sade. You are using Folake. You are using James. James can actually be used, but you like using an African name. All these are not working in line with you at all. So let me explain. The first thing after creating your profile picture, after creating your account, is the profile picture. Make sure it is standard. And in selection of your name, in selection of your profile name needs to be unique. Your username needs to be unique. And then about let us go to this about. Most of the time people use this about, and this is what they used to say. They said they'll be like, for example, they are website design. I work on website design. That's why I'll be using website design as an example. Those of you that are using CMS, those of you that are using a CRM, those of you that are doing a content creator, writing, programming, and all. Some people will just write um, the the best website you can have, and then that's their tagline. It doesn't make sense, honestly. It's all this has a back end. Fiverr has a front end and they have the back end. All these things, they are back end to how you rank your account. I'm trying to work on this account. I've done it and it's actually working. I would have used my current Fiverr account to actually explain this video, but I need to practicalize it. I've worked on it and it's working. I need to for you guys so that you'll be able to understand better on an account that is not actually ranking very well. Now let us say this account I want to do Shopify and Webflow. Now, what are the search tag you can use to rank as a Shopify developer or Shopify website creator or a Webflow website designer, or you are designing a website from Figma to Webflow. Shey you get? Then you use your search tag as your tagline. For example, I use Shopify specialist, Webflow website, and CMS website developer. That's my tagline. Now look at this description. I'm not asking you to copy this. If you like, you copy. That's your problem. I've explained. I've explained if you are copying someone on Fiverr, what it can actually do for you. I've explained in my last video. Once you are copying someone back to back, there is disadvantage you copying someone. Once you are copying someone, it means that you are a clone of that person. And then if that person is number one, you definitely be number two. If that person is in the first page, as you are a clone, you'll be on page two. If another person is copying, then the person will be on page three. That is how it's supposed to work. In fact, that's why when you copy someone, you say that they will disable your account. You see that they will be messaging you. You will receive a Fiverr notification that maybe you have a multiple account, because they've linked you to the original account that has it. The person that created the content before you, they will disable your account. You'll be limited. You'll be flagged. I pray to those that are copying people up and down. I pray you get flagged. Definitely use your head. There are a lot of AI out there that you can actually make use of. There are a lot of things that can actually help you to generate content out there, whereby you don't need to copy anybody. Now, this is what I did. Hi, I'm Chris. Remember, my name is Christopher as the username. I'm Chris, short form of Christopher, a tech expert dedicated to helping your business thrive with a proven record of creating exceptional website and online store. Now, Shopify is an online store. Hope you know. Webflow can be an online store, exceptional website and online store specializing in Shopify and in e-commerce platform. Shopify is also what? An e-commerce platform. Whether you are looking to launch a new Shopify store, look at it, see the way I made mention of it. Shopify store. Remember, all these, they are your search tag that you can use to rank better on Fiverr. Let us take it one after the other again. Exceptional website, number one. Online store, number two. Shopify, three. E-commerce, four. E-commerce platform, five. Then Shopify store, six. Or enhancing existing CMS is there, six and seven. Website is already there again. Then or enhance, okay, I bring extensive experience and a dedication to excellence. My expertise includes, I made mention of it again, Shopify store, WordPress website, not necessary. I just decided to put it there because I might decide to be ranking on WordPress. And once people see me on WordPress, that I'm also doing Shopify, they can actually get to me because WordPress has a lot of traffic. That's why I input WordPress there. WordPress has a lot of traffic. So if anybody is trying to search on WordPress and then they see my gig and they say, oh, this person is doing Shopify, they might have a thought of mind that, okay, can I use Shopify or I should use WordPress? Okay, Shopify is unique for e-commerce. I don't need WooCommerce to make use of it in WordPress. They might decide to just buy me. Then I have Shopify dropshipping making 7. Shopify website is there again making 8. E-commerce solution, WordPress, Webflow development is there. Let's discuss this project. All this will help your account. That is not all. Let us move further. You can set your education the way you like. Your skills. Now let's look at all these skills. We have website design is there, website development is there, website builder and CMS is there, Shopify product listing is there, Webflow, Shopify development. All these they help your account, but these are not enough. Now let us go to this phase. Let's get back to our gig. That's the main issue. No, before gig, let us do something. This is your profile picture. Most times you you have your gig image coming. Let me check it out. Yes, let's say this is your gig image. This is your gig image. As you can see, look at the name of your gig image. Huh? Chris Ackman. That is it, right? What you just have to do to make sure that your account it ranks better. I'm very sure that you have ChatGPT. Create an account on ChatGPT and then make make use of this very well. Um, and let's say on your gig, I advise people to stick to one niche. For example, we have a lot of people out there that um they will create Shopify at the same time creating Wix, at the same time creating Adalo, same time creating Zoho, same time creating content creation, what's it called? A lot. You just have about 7 gigs doing different niche. You are not a professional. I'll break it down to you. You're not a professional. Once you're a professional, you have to stick to a particular niche and know it very well. I know a lot of people might say, okay, they are making money while having different gig. If one doesn't work for you, another one will work for you. The reason why one is not working for you and one is working for you is because you pay your attention on one that is actually working, whereby you are not paying your attention on the other one. And then that one that is working for you has been considered to be your main niche. That is why you will see that particular gig ranking better than the remaining one of them. Some people will also be saying, I don't know the kind of I know all this niche, but I don't know which one I'm going to create that is going to fetch me money. Stick on one, pick one, dedicate your time on it and focus. You are going to get it done. Now let us go. This particular account, I want to make sure that it is about Shopify and Webflow. What you just have to do is to write this. Ask ChatGPT. I want to create a highly converting Fiverr account and creation of gig hyphen based on client's brief and messages. If you do this, you will be receiving a lot of brief and a lot of messages. The meaning of the reason why you are receiving brief is because brief is coming from buyers that posted through Google. You get your account, you rank your account through Google. Messages is ranking through Fiverr account, through Fiverr. Brief is through Google. Now let's continue. Full stop. Enter. Firstly, I want you to check through then put colon. You know, we want to talk about Shopify and Webflow. Colon. Shopify. You know, there's difference between Shopify website and then Shopify product listing, Shopify drop shipping and all. Just write Shopify website, comma, Webflow website. If you want to work on Shopify dropshipping, just change this to Shopify dropshipping. If you want to work on Shopify product upload, change it to Shopify product. If you want to work on Shopify product listing, just type it there. And then this is the two what's it called? Um Niche that I'm working on about this on Fiverr. Close the colon and then space, right? And give me the most searched keywords keywords in that field, in those field of work. In those field of work. Full stop. Enter. Now write, remember, you thoroughly you thoroughly search through Fiverr Backend top rated sellers and level 2 sellers, and also Google most searched word. Now enter again. Write 1. Give top 20 searched words, comma, don't list without comma or full stop. Do you know that with this ChatGPT, you can actually create your gig without. You can actually from this you can actually get how to type your gig title, how to get your gig description, how to get your search tag, how to get your frequently asked question. All what you just have to do is to click on 2, just write give the gig description. Then 3, top 5 tags or search tags. 4, gig description. 5, FAQ, frequently asked question. Then maybe 6, you can write best gig title formed from most searched keywords. Now, if you want to follow this pattern to get all this remaining information, do you know what you just have to do? You have to specify, remove what's it called? Remove the first one. Make sure that there is just one. Maybe you want to work on Webflow first. Put Webflow. And once you are done with Webflow, remove this one again and then return the previous one. I hope you are getting what I'm trying to explain. So you have to be specific for you to get all this one. But since I'm not working on this, I've created my gig. I'm not working on this. So all what I just have to remove this one and then add return a Webflow, comma, Webflow website. Webflow website. Now just send it to Fiverr. Now, once you send it to Fiverr, to ChatGPT is going to give you the list of 20 keywords. Now, we have drop shipping, we have build Shopify store, Shopify, Shopify store, Shopify website design, Shopify dropshipping, Shopify dropshipping store, Shopify store design, Shopify website, e-commerce, Shopify expert, web development, Shopify website development, Shopify redesign. You create all dis. Then it started with Webflow. We have Webflow, we have Webflow SEO, search engine optimization services. We have lots more for Webflow. You can copy it. There are some too for Webflow. Just paste it here. Okay, let us do this again. Let us do this again. Let us say um um Webflow website, comma, put ordinary Webflow again. Webflow. There are some things that is going to bring, and click on send. There are things that is going to bring. You can see it added Figma to Webflow, responsive landing page design, website speed optimization, Webflow website, Webflow CMS, Webflow migration. All dis you can see that it added it. I hope you can see. Now what you just have to do is to copy, just copy dis remaining, copy from here to here, copy from here to here, then copy from here to here and paste it. Remove all those numbers, remove all those number and put comma. I'm trying to explain everything so that you'll be able to get it once and for all. Space. Now you even have more than 20. Copy everything, copy everything. Then remember I was explaining your gig image the other time. This is your gig image. Let's say this is your gig image. Open it, then paste, change the name. Everything is not going to form. You can see that everything is about Shopify, 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 Shopify. um Just remove few part of it. Just remove few part of it. You can remove let's say remove dropshipping, Shopify dropshipping. If you are not really into Shopify dropshipping, Shopify dropshipping store, if you are not really into it, just remove few. Shopify website, Shopify expert, you can remove Shopify expert. It is too much. That is why it doesn't accept everything. Just go back to your search word here. Just copy few Webflow. You can just copy two. You can just copy everything as well, and then go back, go to the last place, and then add comma, Control V, remove it. Just remove it, and then write Webflow, ordinary Webflow. Now, what I'm going to explain to you is that all this comma that you are seeing, remove it. Remove all comma that is inside this. You remove every comma that is there, then save. Save. Now, another thing that you are going to do once you are done, right click on this your gig image, go to properties. Once you go to properties, once you are in properties, click on details. Now you are going to see all this. You are going to see this. Right click on it, then click on you are going to right click on remove properties and personal information. Right click on this, remove the following properties, and click on select all, then click on OK. Once you click on OK, the title, the subject and everything is going to be blank. Then go back to your ChatGPT again, and then copy everything that is here, and go back to this your image properties. This your image properties. Then click once here. You are going to see that it bring authors, add and authors. Let us start from the beginning. Title, paste, Control V. This subject, Control V. Then you see this rating, mark it as 5. Mark it at 5. Your tag is just like Fiverr search tag. Shey you get? Control V, it's going to put comma by itself. You can see dropshipping, comma, building Shopify store, comma, Shopify store, comma, Shopify website design, comma, you have more than this. I hope you are seeing this. It is going to appear. All this is going to appear. All this, if you are okay, this for profile picture, it might not appear, but if we are going to do for gig as well, you see that it will appear for your gig. Let's continue. Then comment, Control V, authors, Control V, date taken, backdate this. You know, let's say we're in July 25, I'm making this video on the 29th, 2025. Click on this, backdate it to like 2022, 2020. Like the image has been existing for a long time. Let's say 2000, let's just use 2020. Then you pick a random, let's say April, let's say, and most times I use on Monday. I use most times on Monday on 14. Like the picture has been existing for a long time. Do you get? Program name is not necessary, is not necessary. Copyright, Control V, Control V. Then scroll down to camera maker, Control V, camera model, Control V. Scroll down to lens maker, Control V, lens model, lens model, Control V, flash maker, Control V, camera serial number, Control V, flash model, Control V. Hope you are getting it. Then you apply. Once you apply, okay, you are free to go and upload the image. You are free to go and upload the image on your Fiverr account. It works. This will help you to rank on Fiverr. Now, that being said, let us go back to our Fiverr. You upload it. That being said, I've done mine. I don't need to upload. Just upload it. Then go back to your gig. Now, on one of your gig, the first thing I'm going to ask you to do is to make sure which one do you want to work on, maybe Shopify. Pause it. Once you pause it, come here and edit. After clicking on edit, you can see I will create. That is not really if you are trying to create your gig, I explained the other time on how to get maybe gig description, search word and all. That doesn't really mean. And the next thing you have to do, maybe your search tag, it doesn't really mean. And just go to your gallery and then I explained that you can get your frequently asked question, you can input it, and then I also explain description, you can input it as well. So we want to work on gallery. This your gig image. Let me get the gig image out. Let me get the gig image. Where's my the gig image? This is the gig image. So what you just have to do is to go back to your ChatGPT, and then you can edit this and then specify. You specify. It is for we are working for Shopify right now. So Shopify website, and shop. You can write comma Shopify. Just add ordinary Shopify. It's going to give you search tag for Shopify product listing, Shopify dropshipping and all. And then you increase this to 50. You can increase it to 50. So, and then click on send. So it's going to give you, let it load. Yeah, it's going to give you this ton of search tag. We have dropshipping, build Shopify store, build Shopify website, Shopify store, tons of it. You have a Shopify email marketing setup. If you don't want to work on that, these are all things that you can remove. But make sure that you check everything. Check all the search word, that which one do you want. So replace it with this. So let's check it one after the other and select the one that I don't want. Dropshipping, build Shopify store, build Shopify website, Shopify store, Shopify website design, create Shopify website, dropshipping store, Shopify dropshipping, Shopify store design, Shopify dropshipping store, Shopify website, this, yes, 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 create Shopify store, development, Shopify store, setup, Shopify store customization, yes, team customization, Shopify migration, maintenance, yes, speed optimization, yes, Shopify SEO, yes, stopped, yes, payment gateway setup. I'm not interested in this. I'm not interested in this. Inventory management, yes. Shopify email marketing setup. I'm not interested. Cart recovery. Abandon the cart recovery. Yes, these are also email marketing. I'm not interested. Then we have Shopify product description optimization. Yes. Analysis reporting. I'm not interested. I'm not interested. Mobile friendly. Yes. Yes. Branding design. Branding design. Yes. Team customization. Branding is also marketing though. But yes. Blog setup. Yes. Social media migration. Integration. Store security. Troubleshooting, unique and affordable. Yes, affordable. All these, you might be thinking that who is searching all this one on Fiverr? Like I said, we want to work on direct messages and brief. The more you have brief on your account and you are replying, one day you might actually get what's it called orders. But the order is not the main thing. You getting brief and you sending the brief, if the buyer message you, you have one message directly, then Fiverr will notice that you have an active account and they can start boosting you to get that. For the client to message you, it means something. Then they can start promoting you and boosting so that you'll be getting more brief. Do you understand that? So all this is from Google. Like I said, brief is coming from Google. Like unique and affordable Shopify store. Somebody can come online and search, um I want a unique and a kini kankan on Fiverr. Since you're having the search tag, you will be among those that will be listed for the buyer. Unique and affordable Shopify store, affordable Shopify store setup. People come up with different things. I'm not the one that writes all this hashtag. It is AI that brought it up by analyzing. Remember I said it should analyze search Google most searched words. If it is not part of Google most searched word, it will not bring it out for us. I said top rated sellers, level 2 sellers, those that are ranking, what are they doing? What are they doing to be? What are they doing to make more money? All this might be part of it. Shey you get? Now you copy it, Control A, Control C. Remember the way we did the images for the profile picture? Do the same thing. Right click, just click twice to rename it. Once you rename it, right click on it and click on properties. Once you click on properties, click on details and then click on remove properties. Are you following? Click on remove following properties and then select all. Once you select all, click on OK. It's going to remove everything. It's going to remove everything. Now you set it up. Paste on a title, paste on subject, rate it to be 5. If you want, you can rate your own to be 1, but me, I'm rating my own to be 5. Your search tag, paste it back. Your comment, paste it. Your authors, paste. Date taking, like I said, backdate it. Like when did you create this gig image? You can backdate it to like 2023 or 2022. Let me say 2023. We're in 2025. Let's use 2022. You can use any month. And then remember I said that most time I use on Monday. So maybe on 18. Backdate it. Program name. is not there. Date acquired, you don't need it. Date acquired can be 2025. Then copyright, control V. Scroll down, camera maker, control V. Camera model, control V. Scroll down, legal lens maker, lens model, flash maker, flash model. Just keep pasting, that's all. Then you apply. Once you apply, okay. Once that is done, your image is there. Just go to your Fiverr account and then upload. Once you upload, save. Once you save, go back to your description. Make sure that you are writing a very captivating and good description. If you don't know how to do it, ask ChatGPT. It's going to give you a unique one. Talk to ChatGPT in your own kind of English. What ChatGPT is going to bring for you to be it will be different from any other person. Now, look at the way I message ChatGPT here. How many people will be able to write this word for word? Shey you get? How many people will be able to write this word for word for us to get the same result? No. And then if ChatGPT give you result, try to edit it, try to check yourself. What is it saying that you don't like? What kind of English is it using? Most times I love to use a professional what's it called professional language. So I will specify, write professionally, not casually, not formally, write professionally to make buyers captivated and buy my product, to make buyers captivated and buy my service. I can include it. Write, if it is gig description, write gig description to be buyer captivated for them to order me. Yes, ChatGPT will understand that yes, I need order. I want them to I want people to I want buyer to see my description and be like, wow, this is good. Let me buy. Do you understand? Now, once that is done, also check your also check your overview. Check that you write your gig title very well. Check that you write your search tag very well. Are you getting it? And then check your pricing. Hope you are not adding too much price. Just check everything and then you are good to go. So that is how to actually work on this. Okay, once you're done, you save everything. Just come back here and then activate it. Once you activate it, come back the following day and check your impression. You will see that you start getting brief. Last but not the least, if you have been following this video, this will be the last thing that I'm going to talk about. Why your gig, why your account has not been going, why your gig has not been receiving messages or receiving brief, or you have not been ranking properly. Do you know that we only did for Shopify? Do the same for this Webflow. Your second gig, if you have a second gig or you want to be using just one gig, do the same. So why the last thing that is making your gig not to rank is your success score. Your success score. Now, if you look at it, this is rated, not rated. We have response rate 0, we have success score 0. You can see that everything is 0. How do you want to do this? I will advise you to do review. Don't do $10 review. Don't do $15 review. Look for money and do $20 review and help yourself to do a review, to have a repeated buyer review so that your success score can jump from 0 to 8. If you can have this success score to be above 5, there is nothing that will stop your gig from going back. I'm doing this for someone. This person is going to do review. I just try to up rank his gig, but I'm going to tell the owner to actually do this success score and then rating, have 5 rating. Don't do the review yourself. Don't do the review yourself. I'm going to say it again. Don't do the review yourself. Then we have the response rate. Reply as fast as possible that you can have a 1 hour 1 hour response rate. If you can have this set up, your success score, to have a good success score, you need to have a repeated buyer more than once. For example, you want to do a review, you do a $20 review 2 times. Do you get it? You do it for the first time, wait for like a week, 2 weeks, do the second review. Do you get it? By the same buyer. If you are doing review, if you are doing different review from different buyer, maybe one review from AJKX, another review from Near Future, another review from Aliesta, shey you get? You know it is three different people. Yes, your rating will be 5 star, meaning by three clients, right? You have three review, but then your success score will still be zero. And without this success score, your account will not rank. I hope you understand that. I wish you all the best. If you have followed this video from to this moment, um to like my video and subscribe. And I'm going to post my own account that I've actually just worked on for 2 weeks now, and is getting messages, getting brief. I'm going to paste this for you to actually see. Thank you once again for watching my video.